Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is our body's way of saying no to tiny particles that enter through our nose. The nose has its way of keeping out bits of dust and dirt, either by the hairs in our nostrils or they get stuck in the mucus in our nasal passages. When these particles irritate the lining of our nose, we feel a tickle in our nose, triggering a sneeze. During a normal sneeze, we take in a big breath, then expel the air very forcefully out through our nose and mouth, expelling the offending particle. If you are allergic to plant pollen, animal hair, or some food items, it may end up in a bout of sneezing. You may also sneeze when you catch cold. There is a custom of saying Gesundheit in Germany and bless you in other parts of the world when you sneeze. It was believed that sneezing means that you are about to fall ill and the person standing near you says bless you, wishing you good health soon.